Is this really all you need to secure trunking to strut?
There's nothing electricians love doing more than looking at other electricians' work and judging it. This is why I love to come to this cafe in a popular supermarket that rhymes with pesto, so I could admire the work done by my fellow tradespeople. And when I was on the tools, I did a lot of work installing containment systems in supermarkets up and down the country. So I especially love coming here to admire the great workmanship. And for all the containment that I installed in my career, it was always the same. Threaded bar, slotted channel, and a nut and bolt named after a popular 1970s kids TV program character. Well, the guys at Metpro say they've got a product which can speed up the installation of tray and trunking on slotted channel without a single nut and bolt being used. To see if they're right, I'm heading up to Lineside Studios to see if this clip really is as good as they say it is. So let's start by taking a look at the Trunklip. On first glance, it's a piece of pressed steel, but some thought has gone into it. We have this H shape at the bottom, which allows us to slide the trunk clip into the channel, and we can also put it in at the top just in case you have an especially long piece of strut. Once you have both trunk clips into position, the trunking sits between and clips into position. You may be thinking now that the clip will foul the lid and you're going to need a mallet to get it on. Well, not so. What's unique about this product is that the lid can fit over the trunk clip and it supports most major brands of trunking, and it's secure. Even with the turnbuckle near the clip, I can still secure it easily. And when the trunking is in position, it takes quite a bit of effort to slide it across the channel. That's all down to this very simple and very clever design in this H section at the bottom of the clip. And back in the day when I was installing trunking, it was all about drilling out your 8mm hole to take your 6mm roof bolt into your spring nut, and you had to drill every single one. It was so time consuming. So is this really a solution that can save all of that time and save all of that drilling?
Well, that's exactly what me and Rick are going to be doing today. We're going to be using the tried and tested method of nut and bolt and a drill and the new trunk clip, and we're going to see which one's quicker.
Well, for my effort, I don't need a drill, I don't need an impact driver, all I need is a screwdriver and the trunk clips. So that took no time at all. In fact, I'm quite shocked at how quick it was. I mean, if I was using that at a time when I was installing containment for a big supermarket chain with more reasons to shop at, then the time it would have saved would have been extraordinary. The amount of space it saves as well. I barely needed any kit whatsoever. Just these clips and that was it. And it went in so easy. The guys at Metpro also do a clip for tray, and the installation of this is just as easy. No bolts or spring nuts needed, as it just clicks into place. So you may be thinking, can these clips really take the weight of a fully loaded tray or trunking? Well, the truth is, they shouldn't need to, as they're supported by the channel which they're fitted to, a method we call trapeze hangers. Even so, when I got back to my studio, I decided to test how much weight the trunk clip was able to hold. So I ripped out my Rose's tin of nuts and bolts, and the trunk clip was able to hold it with no issues whatsoever. And Metpro have done extensive tests on the safe working load of their trunk clips, both the slip and pull tests and the weight test if you happen to install it upside down. So there we have it. If you're in the containment game, then you can't go wrong with the tray clip and trunk clip. A really simple idea that's definitely going to speed up those big containment jobs. Be sure to check out Metpro's other products over on their website. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you've used the tray clip and trunk clip, then be sure to get your comments in below. But from me, it's bye-bye for now.